We've got Africa by Toto, and this is located in N1 of Combi mode. If you go to setlist mode, this is the second setlist slot, and like before, we just pull that down and we have the performance notes. This has 4 scenes, and it also has the drum track. And that's just a preset drum track. It's whatever is in the Nautilus, that's what I used. On scene 1, we've got the brass and marimba split. And here's the marimba. So you notice that the harmonies are already built into this marimba part. And another thing that I've been doing is I play the C instead of the B. And the reason that's done is because the B is required by the brass part for the refrains. Instead of sacrificing that B, that C has been tuned to a B, and this marimba part is played this way. The harmonies are produced by custom scales that are loaded into global modes. So there are 3 custom scales. If we go to global mode, we press page and controller scales, and that's where these harmony scales are located. So for scene 2, we have the solo part 1. And if you want to do it from setlist mode, we go to ARP drum right here. And this is where our scene buttons are located. So this is solo part 1. As you noticed, harmony notes are also built in. Scene 3 is solo part 2. So solo part 2 has cycling harmony notes for the A to facilitate this. But this time the harmony note is actually programmed in as a wave sequence, and that's how that note changes whenever it's played. And it's only the marimba that cycles through. Solo part 4 is marimba and flute. And while the solo is being played, of course, we have our left hand doing the chords. So normally it's played with 2 hands just for the solo part, but in this case we have the accompaniment part played by the left hand and the solo part played by the right hand. And solo is divided into 3 different scenes from 2 to 4. So there you go, that's Africa by Toto as part of the Nautilus Session Gig Covers Pack, available at narvsounds.com.